Street View segment now, Rahul Shah, I beg your pardon, Associate Vice President with Motilal Oswal Financial Services joins us. Rahul, good afternoon to you and thank you for joining us. Nifty has appreciated by more than 150 points from the recent low. Do you think the bulls are back in the town?
I see, if you look at the pattern, I think that the Nifty, the bulls are back into the town. It's too early to talk about, but I think we are just following the global trend. If you look at all the global markets, we're just following the trend, whether the way they have been negative in a couple of weeks back and we followed them, and again it's the same thing. It's difficult to say that the bulls are back or not, but it is more important that if Nifty closes above 6110, which is a precise level, so that would give a good indication that Nifty to go to 6200 levels from here. So I think that will decide, and meanwhile what we believe is that Nifty is going to be in a range bound from 6,000 to 6,200 levels, and so that's what from where it looks like as of now, unless we follow some positive news from the global front.
Rahul, what's the sense that you're getting about some of the earnings which have recently trickled in? Tata Steel, for instance, what's the call now as a brokerage in Tata Steel?
Tata Steel, we have been negative and post results. If you look at it, the numbers have been bad, margins have shrunk, debt has moved up. So we definitely feel that Tata Steel, one who is holding in the portfolio, one should definitely avoid, or maybe you might see a little bit more downside from the current levels also. So I think definitely the earnings have been far below our expectation also. So I think Tata Steel does not look like a good put to be holding a portfolio or to buy at the current levels also.
What is the deal with Crompton Greaves? Up 6%, it is falling less, it is gaining more. If I look at the environment and the kind of numbers they've reported for the quarter gone by, there is hardly any result surprise. So if the result surprise or the earnings surprise is missing, what explains the price action in the stock?
I need to check on that perspective, but I think you are right that the numbers were pretty okay or below the expectation of the street was expecting. But what is the buzz going right now? We're not aware of it. So what is going on right now? So why the stock is up now?
The buzz is going on since you've got your ears close to the ground.
Hello?
No, I'm asking you where else the buzz is going on. Since you got years close to the ground.
I think IT stocks still looks very positive from here. IT and pharma, I think the theme is going to continue still. I think still you can get a good appreciation from here onwards also. So I think one can definitely look at it in mid-cap IT space. Stocks like eClerx, Persistent System. So these two stocks look very convincing from here. Even in large cap, if somebody wants to participate in IT rally, I think Infi and Tech Mahindra looks very attractive from current levels also. Also in pharma space, I think in mid-cap pharma space, one can look at it. Obviously in mid-size like say DVs, one should look at it buying at this levels. On a larger space, Sun Pharma and Lupin still looks attractive. So I think this two sector looks very attractive. I think the theme is very clear. I think more of export-related stories and export-related sectors and stocks will continue to do well going forwards also. So I think IT being the best bet from current levels also. I think eClerx looks very attractive as well as Persistence from current levels is very attractive. Both the mid-cap IT stocks.
Rahul, good chatting with you. Appreciate you taking the time out and speaking with us. Heidelberg Cement, meantime.